This is not financial advice. Oh yeah, baby. Let me know where you from in the comments. We got another day, another dollar. You already know how we doing, baby. Let me know in the comments where you from. I see New York just got in the building. Los Angeles got in the building. Whoo! Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. I see Singapore's in the building. San Antonio, Texas just stepped into the house. We got Haiti in the building, baby. East Texas in the building. Let us know where you from in the comments, baby. We already know where you from. The promise. Like, oh, yo, come on, man. Come on, man. Iraq is in the building. Indiana is in the building. Come on now, Singapore, I see you. We got multiple people from Singapore stepping in the house, stepping in the kitchen. Let's get it. South Florida's in the building. Sydney, Australia, Houston, Oregon. Let us know where you from in the comments. We got Arkansas, Brooklyn. We here, baby. UK, London is in the house. Let's go. Brooklyn is here. Sydney, Australia, Indianapolis, Aventura, Florida, Atlanta just got. Yo, let's get it. Somebody said loud and clear. Connecticut is in the building, baby. Let's get it. California again. Yo, let's get it. Burbank, we here. Iowa, Panama. Yo, come on. Rhode Island, Miami. Shout out to Miami. Shout out to Albania. Shout out to Georgia. We in the building. Japan is in the building. Come on now. Come on now, Knoxville is in the building. Mic check 1 2 1 2. We here. Let's get it, baby. I love to see it. Ireland, Dominican Republic. Oh my goodness, the whole family is stepping out today. Guyana is here. Afghanistan, Egypt is here. Yo, let's get it. Oh, Oklahoma, Puerto Rico, Yonkers. Yo, come on, family, let's get it. Now, in yesterday's video, oh, you know what? This is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, Ric Flair, baby, woo! You not gonna buy the dip, and then you're gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me, and I'm not having that. And everybody in the chat, they not having that. So if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. And hit that like button to show your boy some love. Hit that notification bell to stay tuned. Let's get straight to the point. Subscribe to the channel. Now, the first banger on the list, you already know what time it is, baby. Ticker symbol AMC. And at the time of this recording, AMC on a minute chart, on a rocket. On the rocket. Look at that. Look at these giant green candles, baby. We love to see it. Let's zoom out a little bit and let's go look at the 5-minute chart. We love to see it. Let's see what happens at opening, though. We still got like 13 minutes on that. Let's get it. Haiti in the building. We here, baby. I see you. Now, let's take a look, because in my video yesterday, I was telling you that the dark pool numbers are up on AMC, but I showed the wrong screenshot, so I'm just going to fix that right here, right now, just so we can keep it real, we can keep it raw, and we can get to the facts. So let's see. Yeah, I really want y'all to see this, because you remember, when things are trending on Twitter, everybody's paying attention to it, right? It's a big deal. But then, you know what? When it dies down, nobody's talking about it. You see what I'm saying? Oh, shout out to my guy Nepal. Appreciate you, big dog. Said good morning, brother. Hope you have a good day. That's love, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. That's what I'm talking about. Family, if you're trying to get into the Discord, you already know the link is in the top. However, you can get yourself in. If you need me to help you to get in, it's going to take some time. All right, cool. So now, let's see. Let's show the facts like we always do. So this is support.com. Let me show you another one, because I showed the support.com screenshot by mistake, and I meant to show the AMC screenshot. Let me just double check this real quick, because you know I got them. You know I keep them on me with the receipts, baby. Hold up. Hold on, baby. Here we go. Appreciate you for that. Appreciate you for the love, family. We in the building. It's time to make some money today. We at AMC. This SPRT again. Well, whatever. If you look at this right now, look at this. 3.7 million, family. Come on now. Or billion. This ain't million. 3.7 billion. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. You want to hear something else too? Discord family in particular. I want you to hear this. Somebody said, man, Kenan, I don't like your Discord. And I was thinking like, oh, what's going on, man? Maybe you could tell me something I could fix, right? Guess what the reason was? I can't get in. Yo, you can't make this up. You cannot make this stuff up. I'm telling you. How you don't like something, that's like saying, man, that party was whack, but you never got in. You see what I'm saying? All you got to do is ask, and I got your back, baby. Come on now. Let's make it make some sense. We got to make it make sense. Either way, the numbers on the dark pool is way, way, way up. They was just in the hundreds of millions, and now they back in the billions. Listen, come on. Let's get it. Oh, Prince Akeem, appreciate you, big dog. So this is not financial advice. Good morning, brother. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My guy said, if it's hard to get in, yeah. If you impatient, if you connect and then just wait for like a minute, you'll be in. Let's get it. Somebody said I just joined. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Discord fam in the building. Good morning. Let's go. Right. Pop, pop, pop. Where my notepad at? Pop, pop. Cut it out with that. Right. All right, cool. So look, let's check this out. Also, you know what's running like a rock star? Look at this. Bow. SPRT. At least in the after hours yesterday. And now it's coming back to pick us up. Let's go. Oh, family. Speaking of coming over to pick us up, your boy jumped in the game. What game? Gamestop. I jumped in. I jumped in yesterday. I want to say at 180. Was it 1? No, it was at after hours. I jumped in down here. It came down from 200 all the way to like, I got in like right here. No, I got in literally like 182, like right here, right in the after hours or so. Your boy is officially a part of the Gamestop crew, baby. Remember though, I only put in what I am willing to lose. I only put in what I'm willing to diamond hand. That's what I want you to see. And I showed the Discord family yesterday. And again, if you trying to get in the GameStop and then sell low because they trying to manipulate it or whatever, you got to think of this just like AMC, baby. You got to think of it just like that. Only put money in you willing to lose. So then if it comes all the way down to $5, guess what? I got the diamond hands. I didn't put in too much. So now I'm here and I'm ready. You already know what time it is, baby. I ain't getting shaken out of this. So how you hating from outside of the club when you can't even get in, right? Nah, but I think it was just somebody who was just, appreciate you though, big dog. Somebody just a little upset. You know what I mean? But listen, I'm always here. I'm always here to help the family. But again, it just got to make sense. It just threw me off. It threw me off. I'm like, yeah, that don't make sense, bro. But let's keep it going. Let's go. Let's get it. So now, GameStop is down a little bit from where I bought it. But let's see. I wanted to pick it up at 150, but it came down to 180. And I was like, you know what? Let's get it. It came to pick me up. Now, AMC is doing what we thought it would do. Let's see. Again, it runs up in the beginning of the week, and it starts to cool off at the end of the week. That has been the trend for at least the last 3 weeks. We hope that this trend changes. Nio is still coming down. We were in a put for that. I jumped out of that put yesterday, made money on it. And again, that's one thing I want you to understand too. Particularly, I want you to understand, family, that you can make money on the way down. So many people are crying about, oh man, the stock market is red, blah, 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 blah. Look, listen. If the stock market is red and you feel like it's going to be red, you got to switch your mindset to making money on the way down with buying a put option. You got to know what you're doing. You got to know what you're doing. But again, buying a put option, if you think the market is going to be red and you got a lot of reason to think so, then guess what? You already know. Watch this. You already know me and the family, we going long. We're going real long on Nio. What do I mean by that? I mean, we think Nio is a banger, a beast, a big dog, a juggernaut, everything, family. But what are we doing? What are we doing? Basically, we say, yo, all of those things are true, but we can make money if this thing is going to come down in the short term because we are realistic and logical. You see what I mean? We're not investing emotionally, so then we can make 34% on a stock that went down 6%, for example. You see what I'm saying? Let's do the comparison. Let's see, because you know I got the receipts, baby. Where my receipts at? Let me pull them out. Take them out of the file. You know how we do. Take the receipts out of the file. Did I even take a screenshot of Nio yesterday? I don't think I did. Let me double check. Let me go to Robinhood real quick and see. Because I didn't do a video on Nio yesterday. I didn't. Oh, no, I didn't. But yeah, let's take a look. Peep this right here. Let's go to Nio. We on Nio right now. Look at this. It came down from 39 all the way to where it is now to 47. Right? Almost 48. Last time I checked, this was somewhere in the range of 6% of a drop yesterday. Right? And then we made 34% on a 6% drop. How? The power of options. When you use options, you increase your risk and then you increase your reward. That's how we doing. Appreciate you for that. John Tay Washington, let's go, baby. Let's go, big dog. My guy said SPRT or BYSI. So let's see. SPRT, let's see what they're doing right now. SPRT, if they come back and pick us up down here, for sure, I'm with it. I'm with it. However, you might want to get some skin in the game after what happens. You see what I'm saying? Now let's check out BYSI. So to be real with you, this is a new one for me. This is a new one for me. So right now it's up 4%, but we will have to look and see. We have to look and see. Boston is in the building. Here we go. Here we go. My guy said, I'm listening, all ears. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So you still holding your SPY? Yes, I'm in a SPY call. I'm in a SPY call. I wonder what it's doing right now. SPY is down a little bit, but it's bouncing back. Let's see. And I have not doubled down yet on the SPY call, by the way. I have not doubled down at all on the SPY call at all yet. Let's see. I'm probably down like 10% or less. Let me double check. SPY, where we at with it, baby? Notice, you gotta give yourself time on options. If you getting in and getting out on a momentum, that's when you get a quick, you see what I'm saying? That's when you get a quick weekly. But you want to tend to stay away from those weeklies. You want to jump into the more of a guarantee compared to others. So let's see. Right now on the SPY call, I'm down 5%. I'm down 5%, and I got all the way until late October on it, family. Come on now. The SPY is a beast, a banger. Oh, but just like we told you yesterday, as soon as the SPY is a little bit red, a little tiny bit red, right? Where it came down from? It came down from $454. It's down $4, family. It's down $4. And what are you saying all over YouTube? Oh, the stock market is gonna crash. The stock market is dead. All of this, right? And eventually, they're gonna be right. The stock market is eventually gonna come down. It's gonna eventually crash. But what you gotta understand is, if I tell you every single day that it's gonna rain, one day I'm gonna be right. You see what I mean? Oh, it's gonna rain. You better get your umbrella. Oh, it's gonna rain. You better get your umbrella. I'm gonna be wrong most of the time, but then one time I'm gonna be right, and I'm gonna point back and say, you saw that? I was telling you that it was coming. Of course it's coming. Of course, one day. It said, good morning, KG. The scriptures say, a child shall lead. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Isn't VTI similar to SPY? It is, except VTI covers even more stock. So theoretically, it could be more stable than the SPY. 2 minutes till payday. Let's get it. All right, let's see. Let's go to Gamestop and let's see what they're doing right now. Gamestop is trying to show some life right before the market opens. They're trying to show some life. Let's see SPRT. See if they're showing life in the beginning. SPRT. They're coming down. They're coming down. Are they coming to pick us up, baby? Look, we would love to get in there, this red line. We would love it. Let's see. Nio. They're trying to wake back up. They're trying to wake back up a little bit. To be honest with you, I might get into another put on Nio for the short term. Let's see. But watch this. Somebody said, oh, man, Kenan, you want a SPY call? You want a SPY call? One thing about me that if you're in a Discord in particular, you'll know is that I'll cut a loss quick. I'm out of a loss, right? But then I'm on a ride for a big win, right? You see what I mean? Somebody said, nice jacket. Appreciate you for that, baby. Appreciate you. Much love. So, again, one thing, too, is everybody will doubt you 100 times out of 100. And then they say this. They say people ask you why. And then once you do it, they ask you how. And I really want you to understand that. And the same thing is true. One of the prime examples of that is Palantir, right? I've been telling people for 100 years, Palantir is such a swing trade that you could just ride the wave up, ride the wave down. It keeps bouncing in between the $2 range. Sometimes the $2 range is let's call it 23 and, I don't know, 25. But then it shifts up to 25 and 27. But you see it right? And they say, oh man, why would you do this on Palantir, Cathy Woods, blah, 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 blah. And then it gets a huge dip and then you make money on a put. You see what I'm saying? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Let's get it. And again, so somebody said this. Somebody said puts on a SPY. Yes, puts on a SPY are going to print. So are calls. Look at this. Look at this. This is what you don't understand. Let's say you ran a put on a call. You ran a put on a SPY right here. Put. It goes down. You made money. Jump out. It goes back up. What if you ran a call on a put or a call on a SPY right here? It goes down. It comes back up. You still make money. You can make money on a put. You can make money on a call. You got to know what you're looking at and what your time horizon is. So, for example, these gray spots here, these are the after hours. These dark bands, like the black ones, these are the day, like the market open times. If you got into, let's go over this again. Your time horizon is what is important. That's what I really want you to understand. You get into a put right here. A put means you betting the stock is going to come down, right? It comes down, comes down, comes down. Wow, you made money on that. Great. You got into a put. You made money. Your time horizon might have been really short. This is why they call it going short on a play, right? You're trying to get in and get out. Now, take a look at this. What if you got a call at the same exact time? Then you would be down, 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 down. And then look, if you just held it because your time horizon was open, eventually you would be back up. The SPY is a banger. So let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Sometimes you're going to bet against the SPY and you're going to come up big. But most of the time, you're going to bet with the SPY and you're going to come up big. You just need an open time horizon. You see what I'm saying? Again, don't listen to all of these naysayers telling you 100 times that the stock market is going to crash. They're going to be right one day. But if you living in fear, scared money don't make no money. That's how it is. That's how it is. It is what it is. All right, cool. So now, however, just know this. Just because, and if you know me, you know this. Just because I'm in a SPY call, that don't mean I'm going to get married to it and then lose all of my money so I could be right. We ain't doing that. Come on now. Let's keep it real. All right, cool. So let's go back to SPRT and let's see what's going on with them in the market open time. Okay, so they coming down a little bit. Notice they went up, but they're coming back down just some. Paul, appreciate you for the love, baby. Appreciate you for that. Somebody said Nio is dropping. Nio is dropping. If you got in that put option with me yesterday on a live stream, where again, let's talk about it. Come on, naysayers, let's talk about it. People saw this. They saw this little bit of a green right here and said, why would you get into a put? Why would you get into a put? Because it's showing weakness. You got to be able to identify that. Remember. And then it was doing this, doing this, doing this. And now it's all the way down here. Short term, make money on a put. You already know what time it is. Somebody said Lucid is waking up. I love to see it. Love to see it. We back in the 19 range. Up 2%. Let's get it. Would you buy Baba or Nio? Both of them are bangers. Both of them are bangers, and both of them are worth way more than they are now. However, the government, they really have their eye on Alibaba. I want you to understand that. They really, really have their eye on Alibaba like crazy. Crazy. Yo, look at this. Mara's up. Hey, Mara. Look at that. Look at Mara. Look at her go. We love to see it. We love to see it. We love to see it. Okay, cool. And let's check out Riot. Riot is up too. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. BTC. Is Bitcoin waking up and it's waking Mara and Riot up? Let's see if that's the case a little bit. Bitcoin is up 2%. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, shout out to Bitcoin, baby. Shout out to Bitcoin. Went from 45,000 to 47,000 today. We love to see it. Where my boy Brownie at? Oh, he around the corner. Big boy. Brownie. He ain't listening. Let's go. All right, cool. All right, look. Now the SPY showing some strength. Now watch this. Just because the SPY, and this is what I want you to think. Just because the SPY is showing some strength right here, that doesn't mean that it's going to run, right? However, I am in a call, but you got to be realistic, right? This is the point where everybody starts to say, oh, get in the call, get in the call, get in the call. This is FOMO buying thinking. This is FOMO buying thinking. This is not getting into a call on the technicals. You see what I mean? This is just FOMO buying thinking. Before, let's keep it real, when I was talking about it earlier, it was going down like this, down like this, down like this. And then everybody was saying, oh, so-and-so said get a call. I'm going to get a put. So-and-so said blah, 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 blah. You see what I mean? You got to, don't FOMO buy into it like that. You got to see what's going on in the market. And again, I always get on here so I can teach you how to fish. I hope that this keeps going up, but I know if it comes back down to 450, I know it's time to double down. And I mean 450 like flat or 449. Other than that, I'm chilling. Let's get it. Shout out to the SPY for running. Let's see if it maintains this strength. Remember, don't get too caught up in the first 15 minutes of the stock market. When it opens, you want to see what's going on there, but you don't necessarily want to jump in, and you don't necessarily want to strike right there. You could, but it ain't the best idea. A lot of the time, the FOMO buyers and just crazy volatility, that is not indicative of what's going to happen for the rest of the day. Good morning, fam. Let's get it. Gamestop is down 8%, but they're including some of yesterday too, if you think about it, because it was coming down from yesterday. But again, I'm in there with the diamond hands now. SPRT. Somebody said, should we get into a SPRT put? If you get into a SPRT put, just know, in, out. Don't end up like these short sellers, baby. Oh, somebody said Disney is running. Hey. We love to see it. Ohio in the building. Let's go. Somebody said, are we still trending down on the SPY? Let's take a look. What is the SPY, family? The SPY is basically the Fortune 500 companies. Very valuable companies. So, are we still trending down? No. Can we get back into a downtrend? Absolutely. However, we broke this. We broke this line. This would have been a resistance right here. We have another one coming up right here at 52. 452. But right now, we broke through yesterday's highs. Not exactly. In the morning, it was higher. But like the end of the day, like the half of the day, we broke through that resistance right here. These selling points. We broke through it. And just know, with the SPY bursting out like this, it's going to come back down. So if you want to get in, because all of a sudden you believe in the SPY now, right? Then let it come down, pick you up. That's how we rock it. Now, SPRT. Yo, Discord family, I got to give y'all a major salute. I seen people making thousands of dollars and thousands. That was like, whoa, get money, baby, get money. High risk, high reward. You already know what time it is. Jersey, or in Germany too, in the building. I see you, family. Jackson, Mississippi, we here. Let's clap it up, baby. Let's get it. I see. We in the building, baby. We in the building. Let's go. Somebody said Lucid is not looking bad. Oh, y'all ready? Y'all ready to talk about it? Let's talk about it. What's going on with Lucid? Here we go. What's going on with Lucid Motors? So LCID, what was that? I did a video on it yesterday, but I only covered it quick because I don't like my videos being way too long. So here we go. And oh man, we gotta talk about a lot. We gotta talk about a whole lot. So okay, LCID, Lucid Air is almost here. Let's see if I can find that article. Yahoo Finance. Here we go. They said this. Lucid Air, this is the car, right? Lucid Air is almost here. Here's how it stacks up to the Tesla Model S. Notice they're not talking about the Model 3, they're talking about the Model S. Why? Because Lucid is a luxury sedan. It's a luxury vehicle. Now, the Model 3 is more of a regular like car, but when you think of the Model S, this is like the high end. Bangladesh in the building. I see you, baby. I see you. So you the man Kenan, that's love, baby. Let's get it. Now, when you think of the Model S, you got to compare that to the Lucid Air. So let's see. And remember, Tesla has proven what they can do. Lucid still has to prove what they can do. So all of this is proving what something is or can do versus what something might be able to do. He said, always love, brother. He said, I'm down. He said, I'm down and still up. Thank you for teaching, baby. I got you, family. I got you. Here we go. So now Lucid Motors is on the brink of delivering its first electric vehicle. It's called the Air. And it's up against the Tesla Model X, or I'm sorry, the S, which is the king of electric sedans. Okay, let's see how they compare. So the first thing they compared was the range. Remember, Tesla showed you that they could do this, Lucid is saying that they can do this, right? So if they could do this though, family, come on now, we rocking it. But if not, we gonna need some tears in the chat. So it says that the Tesla Model S, in terms of range, could get 405 miles in driving on a single battery. Oh, let's get it, Brian. Let's go. He said, put your eyes on GSAT price dropping, buy low. Let me look back at that, family. Don't let me forget. So the Tesla Model S could get 405 miles on a full battery, right? Let's compare that to the Lucid Air or the Lucid Dream, right? Lucid says the Air Dream delivers more than 500 miles in range, blowing Tesla and every other manufacturer out of the water. This is what they said they could do, not what they've done. Remember, keep that in mind. And then it says the Air Grand Touring has already achieved an estimated or an EPA range of 517 miles. The Air Pure will get 406 miles. So why is that important? They're saying that the base model could do 1 mile better, supposedly, than the Tesla Model S. Come on now. If they could do that, family, come on. We on a rocket ship, baby. But if they can't, we going to be able to pick this up for $1.99. And eventually they'll be better. But for now, you already know what time it is, baby. All right, cool. So let's check them out. Let's see what they're doing. Let's see what we got today. The SPY is still showing strength a little bit. Let's see if we can hold out past 945. We want to see if we can hold out past 945 and show some strength. They're showing resistance at this line where we thought they would. If they break above, we would love to see it. We would love to see it. BBIG is running. Hey, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. We love to see it. SPRT, let's see if it's coming down. Remember, allow these things to come and pick you up. Allow them to come and pick you up. So Kenny don't trip, right? Appreciate you, big dog. That's love. That's love. SPRT, come pick us up, baby. We waiting right here. We waiting right here. Yo, did anybody in here in the chat, I know the Discord, but anybody in the chat eat with me on that Nio put yesterday? I jumped out of it yesterday, but it's even lower today. I told you I was in and out in one day. Did anybody eat with me on that Lucid put? Not Lucid, Nio. Remember, we know Nio is a absolute banger. Absolute banger. But on the way down, sometimes you get some money real quick, real easy. Daytona Beach is in the house. Let's get it. Shout out to Daytona Beach. Let's get it. Let's rock out, baby. Oh, yeah, yep. And look, AMC, they doing exactly what we knew they would do. Somebody said, yes, sir. Let's get it. Made 150. Somebody said, I'm still in the Nio put. Smash that like. Let's get it. He said, I'm still in it. Eating. Let's go, baby. Listen, I love to see the family making money. I'm telling you. Somebody said, I got paid on that Nio put. Come on now. Right. Somebody said, I just cashed it out right now. I'm up 51% on the Nio put. Come on. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Now, this is one thing that especially, like I want you to think of the people who live in your house with you, right? Notice that they might not really understand investing, especially to the level that you do, right? So I want you to really, really think about this. Let's look at the SPY. How all of us ate on that Nio put, right? Let's look at the SPY. You know how people crying and crying about how the stock market crashed, right? Back in 2008, people was just crying, right? Cry me a river. But guess what? There's a lot of people who must have made a lot of money back then. Why am I saying that? Because I want you to remember, money on the stock market, it doesn't disappear. It transfers. It transfers from somebody's account to somebody else's account. You see what I'm saying? So in 2008, when we had that crash, just imagine all of the people who were in put options, family. Put options. So now, the people who live in your house, if they were to see the stock market go red, they probably aren't up on stocks like you. So then, guess what they would think? They would think, oh man, everybody's on the stock market losing money. Everybody's going broke. But it's only because they're waiting for you to teach them that money can be made on the way down. So now, you are here learning from me, but they are not. So what I want you to do is always pay it forward. Don't get them into nothing crazy risky, but just explain to them that when the stock market is red, they can make money on the way down. You just hold your long-term plays, hold them, and then just run puts on them. And then boom, the family just grew, baby. Wayne Green, shout out to you, baby. Let's get it. The Discord family growing too. We love to see it. We love to see it. Shout out to the Discord family in particular. But again, I really want you to be able to sit down with your family and tell them, look, you are very afraid that the stock market is going to come down. But what I want you to understand is that if it comes down, I know how to make money when it comes down. You ain't always going to get it right, but you got to know. Somebody said Citadel shorted and then put 2008. Yep, and made them who they are today. That's exactly true. That's exactly true. They make all of this money on the way down, family. Come on now. Imagine you're in a put on something that's $160 and then it goes all the way down to 67, family. Now the average person would think, okay, you're going to make like $100 on that. No. You might very well make $50 for every dollar drop. That's how crazy options can get. Come on now. That's love. Appreciate you, Autumn Grace. Oh, Autumn Grace with a Y, though. I see you. Kansas City in here. Let's go. Let's get this money. Let's get it. All right, now let's check them out. SPRT. Let's see if we start to show some strength. Let's go to the minute chart. Oh, look, we are. However, overall, remember, we're in a downtrend. If you get in, make sure that you 100%. 3 strikes. That's how you want to rock. 3 strikes. Bow. The first one, you test the waters. Where you think it's a good entrance, you test the waters with it. But you got to wait for a good entrance, right? So my guy Maurice said, Nio put printing. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get it. All right, he said SPRT entry price. Right now, you could get some skin in the game if you so choose at today's current low. However, we might see another low because we are still technically in a downtrend. Let's put our channel here. Let's put our good old friend, here we go. Diagonal line 1 and diagonal line 2. So we have our ascending line, our descending line of resistance and our descending line of support. But again, remember, that was that first 15 minutes. You don't want to get too crazy and believing that that's how the day is going to be with the first 15 minutes. You want to see what happens and see if it continues on a downtrend. It might come back in here. Let's see. Remember, if you want to get some skin in the game, consider trying to get close to today's low so far. However, you might get a way better chance. A way better chance. Understand that. All right, cool. So now let's check out AMC again because we know, here we go. They driving it down like they always do on Thursdays and Fridays and so on and so forth. Talk about Pinterest. Pins. All right, so Pinterest is basically up. It's flat on a day. Pinterest is flat on a day. It started here, ended here. So far, it's flat. Pinterest finds a lot of support in the low 50 range. This is why when we got into the call options, and again, we're not going to get married to them, but we're going to see what Pinterest does, and then we might let them go, but we gave them all of the time that they need to figure it out and then get it going. This is why we didn't run. Notice this, family. I want you to really understand. When you rocking with me, and then I get into like a quick get in, get out, like a Nio put, like yesterday, right? The Nio put from yesterday, that was a 1 day, 2 day max. You only had 2 days on that because I knew in this case, you know what? Nio is just going to ride all the way down. So we got it to a put. A lot of people in here made a lot of money on that. You see what I'm saying? But that was a 2 day thing. We knew this could happen in a short time frame. When I give you the really longer time frames, realize that the company got to figure it out. News catalysts got to happen. Earnings have to come out. Reports have to come out. And you got to give it the time. And then you got to be ready to either average in or say, you know what? I'm done with this. I'm out. And then move it into a better play. My guy said, I'm still in yesterday's Nio put. Let's go. Remember, family, nobody ever lost taking profit. I want you to remember that. Let's talk about it, baby. Somebody said GSAT. Let's check them out. GSAT. Okay, so GSAT. If you're trying to get into this, they looking like they coming to pick you up. Where? Maybe right here. Here's the first level of support, which is heading to right now. Let's see if it can hold it, or let's see if it is going to fall under it. My thing don't want me to put a line. I'm trying to get our good old friend, the horizontal line. Here we go. Here we go. So this will be a support. About $22.50. Think of it like that. If you could pick it up around here for a first strike of 3, decent. If you can get it at $2, really, really solid. Really solid play. That would be more optimal. Getting it at 2. Somebody said no AMC puts. I don't have it in my conscience to do it. I don't have it in my conscience to make money with the AMC put, people. Yo, let's go AMC. Oh yeah, let's get it. The family growing, baby, like wildfire. Let's get it, baby. And shout out to the Discord fam. Again, if you're trying to get into the Discord, just know, oh, whoa, the Discord family is growing. Let's get it. We love to see it. Shout out to my guy T-Bone. Shout out to my guy T-Bone. Lucid is running a little bit. Let's check him out again. Family is looking like Disney is trying to run back up to 187. Let's look at the options. This will be a high risk, high reward option on Disney. This would be like a 1-day play, like a get in and get out. If I did do it, it would cost about $200. Open interest is low. Oh no, I'm on puts. Calls. Okay, it will cost about $65, $63 to get a 187.5 call. Open interest is super high. 190 is also really high. 90. Yeah. Let's get it. Somebody said Lucid is running. LCID. Let's get it, baby. Let's see what our Lucid call option is doing, Discord fam. Let's see where we at with it. We still got a whole lot of time. Oh, yeah, I'm up. Whoa, let's go. Lucid. Yo, shout out to the Discord fam who's in the Lucid call with me. Appreciate y'all. Nothing but great vibes. Let's go, baby. We here. Lucid family keep growing. Family, if you want to be in the Discord, hit the link in the top of the chat. Hit the link in the top of the chat, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. We here. We here. You know what we really need, though? We need Lucid to stop pump faking us and get into the $20 range and then just take us to the promised land. We ready. We got our, yo, do you got your bags packed, baby? We ready to go to the promised land. I got my bags packed. I want you to understand that right now. Understand that. I'm hearing GVO is running too. GVO is running too. Let's go. Let's go. Let's check out oldie but goodie. MVIS. What are you doing lately? $13. That's still not bad, family. That's still not bad. I think I got in this when it was like 6 or 7. SPY is approaching 152. Remember, just like we said in the beginning of the live stream, everybody telling you, watch this. Watch this. This is what will happen. And if I seem frustrated, it's because I am. I'm going to keep it real. This will happen, right? Let's zoom out. People will tell you the SPY, let's zoom out even more. Because remember, the SPY is the beast, the banger, the juggernaut. Let's talk about it. Come on. the juggernaut. Let's talk about it. Look, if you get into a put option, which is a bet that the SPY is going to go down on this day, right? On this day right here, which is the 18th of August, right? August 18th, you get into a put. Whoa, you just made money. The stock market is going to crash. Everybody talking about that because they see this red. And then you get out, you made money. What if you got into a call option? The same exact time, right here. Oh, the stock market is going to crash. Everybody, oh, it's over. The stock market is done. Blah, 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 blah. It's over. But then you guess what? You gave yourself some time. And look, it wouldn't have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And you would have been up. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Come on now. Come on now. Let's talk about it. And let's keep it real. The same thing is going on with the SPY right now. Look at this. Let's say you got into a call right here. If you did, let's say you got into a call right here. And then it's coming down. Oh, the world is over. The world is over. And then boom, it starts to turn around. Come on, the SPY. If you got a long horizon on the SPY, like a month or more, you most likely will be fine. Some days, eventually the stock market is going to come down. It is what it is. You just got to understand that. Don't get married to a play because you believe in it. You can say, you know what? I got new information that have now changed the way that I now believe in this play. I got new information. For example, let's say that, I don't know, everything is going right. Everything is going right. And then the government says something crazy, right? Now, this is new information and you have to adapt and play it the way that you can win the game. Simple as that. So now somebody's saying that Nio has turned around. Nio's turned around. Shout out to Nio. Because again, we are in long calls. We got in long calls. So we are in long calls on Nio. We made money on the put. We made money on the put from here to here. But we still sitting in long calls. We just waiting. We're just waiting. We just waiting, baby. Eventually, all of these things, long-term bangers, they're going to come back. Charge point calls is charge point in a low 20 range. I would love to get into a charge point call in the low 20 range. Like, we in the low 20 range, technically at 121, but I really like it in like 20 flat. Said Fort Hood, Texas in the building. Said, you're teaching, young man. Appreciate you, big dog. Shout out to B-Hawk. Shout out to my guy, T-Bone. Let's get it. Let's get it. Said, please check out Root. ROOT. Okay. So they ran up today and yesterday. Let's zoom out, see what they've been doing. So they got up to 8 before, and then they've been slowly declining ever since, and now they're starting to rebound. Shout out to them for that. So GSAT, family, is it coming to pick you up? Not just yet. Not just yet. Pinterest is trying something. We'll see. Trying something. SPRT. Let's go to our 1 minute chart, see if it stayed in our downtrend. Oh, it broke out of it. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. SPRT is showing us a little bit of an uptrend. Very slight, very new. But remember, the reason you want to identify patterns in the first place is you want to identify the beginning of a new trend. That's what technical analysis breaks all the way down to. A new trend. You want to identify a new trend as soon as it happens. Yep, it's looking like Disney is going up, like I was saying, to 187. Look like it's going to go there. Nio is back over to 38. Those of us who are bullish on Nio, we want to see Nio break this. Today's high. That would be a great sign. And then we need to break into where? We need to break into the 40s again. We need to break into the 40s again. We would love that. Absolutely love that. Let's see. VTI is green. AMC is going back up. Oh, yeah. Come on, AMC. However, we are on a very slight downtrend. Dakota C, super chat's not sending. It's so irritating. Look, come on, man. Why you two be hating on us? Why they hating on us? We can't control it. I appreciate you nonetheless. Just know that. Let's get it. Let's get it. Somebody said Fubo TV is praying. Is Fubo waking back up? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, look at the market, family. We're going green on a lot. Green, 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 green. G-side is red. Pinterest is even green. SPY green. SPRT is red. BBIG. BBIG under one of the supports. Under the 1030 support. Let's go out to the 5 minute chart. Okay, so BBIG broke under a support. If we could pick this one up under $9, that would be excellent. Let's see. So we got up to 11 before, came back down. So this happened almost a few times. So we got to 10, right, on the 30th. Came back down to 5. Went all the way back up past to 11. Came all the way back down to 7. Went all the way back up to like 12. Came back down to 9 so far. We might be able to pick this up. Let's get it, baby. Somebody said, never trust. Come on now. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. BNGO. Hey, I see you, BNGO. This has been a great swing trade for the family. A great swing trade. All right, family. So now, if you an ape, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. I'm trying to see my ape family right now. We got to talk about some things, apes. So now, let's see this. Let's remember that AMC is coming down, right? Let's remember, let's just put that in. I want you to understand that in your heart and make sense of it. Let's make sense of this because we're going to go into something. And every time you look at the numbers with AMC, you start to see something that doesn't add up, and it will never add up. Watch this. If you've been rocking with AMC for months and months and months, I got in like May, right? I got in like May, literally right before launch, right? I started seeing things that I didn't see with AMC before. I seen all of the videos. I seen all of the people talking about it, blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, yo, like in May, I really started to see something here. I jumped in at like $12. And then it took off, right? Crazy, crazy. So it was like perfect timing, almost. But now, watch this. AMC, and let's go to the article, because remember, AMC has been coming down and down and down and down for a long time. Since at least June. Almost May, but June. Okay, let's take a look at this, family, because this ain't adding up. CNBC posted, retail investors were net sellers of AMC for the first time since February. Now, to the naked eye, this seems like not a big deal. But there's a lot of information here that you can infer just from these statements here. And what do I mean by that? Retail investors is who they're talking about, not institutions, were net sellers of AMC for the first time since February. So you're telling me that since February, retail investors were net buyers, not net sellers, until September 8th. So retail investors were doing net buying from February all the way to September. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out right here, right now. February starts us about right here, near where it was $20, just near, like $15, $20. And since then, we've been buying, net buying. We ran all the way up on a gamma squeeze, mini squeeze. And then still net buying. Family, does this look like a chart of net buying? Or does it look like a chart of net selling? This looks like net selling to me. Look at this. Net selling. Selling. Some buying. And now, for the first day, on the 8th, they said that retail investors were net sellers of AMC for the first time since February. Why is this also important? Adam Aaron told us, even back in June, that as of June 2nd, AMC has 501 million shares. You could go through all of the details. There are 4.1 million apes, and we own 80% of the company. So we know that we own 80% of the company, right? 80% of the company, guess what? If 80% of the company is doing net buying since February, why do you get huge downtrends from 70 all the way down to 30 to 29? How did that happen? If we've been doing net buying, how did that happen? It doesn't make sense. It never makes sense. So let's check out SPRT. I'm hearing people saying that it's running like a rocket ship. Let's go. Look at that. Dang. Yo, that's crazy. It jumped out of our uptrend and said, you know what? I'm going to show you what a real uptrend look like, baby. Bam. Yo, Discord family, if you're in the Discord, go to the call option section of the Discord. I'm sure you're going to see all kinds of celebrations in there. Yep. Yep. Let's go. Yep, I knew it. They get money. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Yo, you see this? We on a space mission. We on a mission, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Support is going bonkers. Bonkers. Support.com. And you notice again, I told you when you do technical analysis, what you're looking for is just recognize the beginning of a new trend. And we did, uptrend. And then look, it even took off beyond that. Let's go. We love, love, love to see it. And look, the SPY is up again. Let's get it. SPY is up. SPRT is up. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that run, baby. Yo, come on now. Yep, I'm seeing somebody say, what they at? 161% on the $25. Yo, get money. Yep, they posted them in there. Let's get it. My guy up 200. Yo, 2,000. Let's get it. I don't think it's done. Yo, that's crazy. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Shout out to SPRT. Listen, family, the short interest on this is astronomical. And they got to buy them all back. They got to buy them all back. Crazy. However, I do want you to understand that SPRT is a short squeeze play, but it's not like AMC. BBIG is more similar to AMC in terms of how the breakdown is of who owns it. SPRT is like being in the middle of that King Kong movie that came out with Godzilla. It's like that. Because who's battling here? It's the big dogs versus the big dogs. Let's go to the facts. This is SPRT, support.com. Right now, 30, nah, this let me reload this because it ain't 37. $24. $24 up 6% currently. 37% is held by insiders. 52% is held by institutions. What percent of the free float, meaning the shares that can be traded, is held by the institutions? The institutions own 84% of the free float. So there are institutions who are shorting it, and the institutions own 80% of it. So this, when you look at the institutions own 84%, this is Kong versus Godzilla right here. And you just the people who are along for the ride. This is exactly what it is. Kong versus Godzilla. This is what SPRT is. The big dogs versus another big dog. You see what I mean? So then if Godzilla's winning and you bet with Godzilla's side, come on now. Somebody said super chat is not working. I don't know what's going on. YouTube hating. You like the second person to tell me that. Third person to tell me that. Listen, come on now. This is why I love the Discord family. Because look, no matter what is going on with anything, when they shut your channel down or they turn your super chats off for whatever reason, I know the Discord family always got my back. That's really whack that YouTube is doing that. It is what it is. It is what it is. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Somebody said the SPY is running. Remember, people trying to argue me down about being in a SPY call. I'm telling you, long term, you bet on a SPY, you probably going to win. Nio is running up. I got out of my put yesterday. I told you I was getting in one day because long term, we know Nio is a banger. I'm in the and you got to never get greedy. You got to realize, I told you 100 times, if you want to give yourself a raise, remember, give yourself a raise. How do you do that? You say, you know what? I deserve $5,000 a year extra from what I'm already getting. You know what I'm saying? Oh, appreciate you. We said it's necessary. Therefore, it's possible. Let's go. Let's go. My guy, no feelings. That's love. The marathon continues, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. So let's see. Let's see something else real quick. Let's see what we can do today. So Palantir is coming back up. Oh, it's working. Jill, I appreciate you for that. I appreciate you for that. I don't know why other people are having trouble. But again, YouTube always finds a convenient way. We just gonna keep it there. We just gonna leave it right there. You already know. All right, cool. So SPRT is coming back down. Again, if you missed the ride, it's coming to pick you up. Supers work for me. Stay blessed. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. And again, y'all don't have to send them, but I know you sending them out of love, and I appreciate you for that. It does help me to keep the channel and the live streams going. Just know it is what it is. Let's get it. He said I'm up $150 on 2 spot calls. Let's go. He said I got you a hook. Let's get it. Let's get it. Love to see the family eat. Love to see the family eat. Yo. Man. Yo, the Discord family strong. Discord family strong, baby. Discord family strong. I love to see it. Again, if you want to get into an SPRT call, remember, this is how you got to rock it. Remember, this is Godzilla. This is Godzilla versus King Kong. You got $300, family. If you think you found a good entry point, divide what you was going to put in there by 3. Divide it by 3. Then, what do you do after that? Lewis, shout out to you, big dog. What do you do after that? You say, okay, I'm going to put 100 on it now. And then, after that, you say, boom, I'm basically going to put 100 on it. If it drops on me, because I still believe I can get in at a better price, now you got a better average price. And then you still got a whole third of your money. Let's get it. Let's go, Bennett. Yo, let's go, baby. We in the building. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. We here. We here. And yo, to be honest too, since SPRT is so volatile, Discord fam, we strong, baby. Strong. Strong. Somebody said McDonald's is running. Yo, let's go take a look. Yo, come on, family. Get your cheeseburgers. Get your French fries going. Get your Happy Meals going, baby. Them Happy Meals, they selling like crazy. Look at this. Them Happy Meals, they can't make them fast enough. Yo, McDonald's is running. McDonald's been around since a million years. Yo. Let's go. Ben, I appreciate you, big dog. I know you got my back, baby. Yo, come on now. They selling out. If you go to a McDonald's right now, the ice cream machine is down. Why? Because they selling out. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. They selling, listen, they cutting tomatoes over there. They cutting the lettuce. Yo, come on now. The McChickens. Have you had a 50-piece McNugget? Come on. Come on. Have you ever seen, listen, it's looking like the Krusty Krab right now. It's looking like the Krusty Krab. They said that McDonald's was going to fail because of Subway. Come on. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Let's go. Yo, McDonald's is running. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, McDonald's, let's go. Let's go, McDonald's. McDonald's is up. Yo, it's getting crazy. Yo, Discord family in the building. Shout out to Tommy Gasson. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. You know what? You said you wanted attendees. McDonald's said, listen, we got you covered. We got you covered. So, yo, my guy Scott, appreciate you, baby. He said the knowledge this man teaches is priceless. Could ever repay. Big dog, man, let's go. Let's go. Join the Discord. You won't regret it. Discord family strong, man. I love it. I love to see it. I love to see it. He said Warren Buffett lit. That's me, huh? Let's go. He said, I just sold BNGO for 129. Let's get this money. Let's get this money, baby. Come on now. All right, somebody said check out Moderna, mRNA. Yo, I'm going to tell you this, family. I'm never, ever, ever. I love you too, family. I love you too. Just know. Shout out to my guy. Shout out to my guy, Corey. Appreciate you, family. Yo, listen. Yo. Oh man, all right, yo, y'all killing me. So look, mRNA, I'm looking them up. Happy Meals is running. Yo, Boomy Gorilla, let's go, baby. You see him? All right, cool. Let's go back real quick. So mRNA, all right, you're looking at it. Listen, we waiting for them to get this this Pfizer, or not the Pfizer, the FDA clearance, right? And we're going to try to play it the same way that we noticed that after that people are selling the news on that. So we're going to see if it's showing weakness after that. So then we could buy a put and ride it down. We're going to be on the lookout for that. Particularly get in the Discord. So when we do it, you ready. He said McDonald's is up. I'm loving it, baby. Let's go. Shout out to Antonio. Let's go back to SPRT. I'm almost afraid to look. Oh, rocket shit. Yo, it's hot in the kitchen. Look at this. Family, we way up. Yo, where is this headed? It looked like it's headed for 30, family. I'm going to keep it real. Today, who knows? But it looked like it's headed there. Now, all right, we got a double top. So let's put our resistance line up there. We got a double top up here. Let's color it in. If you get into an SPRT call, you got to understand. High risk, high reward. You're going to risk a lot, but then you got the chance to make a lot. Or some of them are honestly cheap, to be honest. Like if you really want to go high risk, it ain't that expensive. If you want to go crazy high risk. So let's see. Crazy high risk, not crazy like you out your mind, but like high risk, I would say this, $30. It will cost you $65 to get a call, a $30 call. Notice, theta is basically $60. So this thing, you got to get out of this today or else it's going to go flat on you. If you don't get out of this today, it's going flat. Literally, you'd be worthless tomorrow. It'd be worth $2. Yep, it's still running. Oh no, the call is getting cheaper. Let's go. Here we go. 30, 30, 30. Where we at? Yep, here we go. And the open interest on it is 2,500. However, theta is now 61. Family, I'm telling you, this thing is going to be worth nothing tomorrow. So if you get into an SPRT call, just know, high risk, high reward. Look at that. You see this technical setup right here? Let's bring this down. You see that W right there? Like my boy Trey say, George W, take a look at this. You make the W. It wasn't perfect like with this part up here, but you broke the neckline. This is the neckline. And then you want to rock it. That's how you look at that technically. Somebody said BBIG is dead. No, BBIG is not dead. They're trying to rock you to sleep. So then if you get in, this is when you get in low. Let them rock everybody else to sleep. And then we wait. And then we say, boom, load up. So let's see. Where would I get into a BBIG call? Close to where it is now, to be honest. Like 950-ish, I would be willing to get into a call, but I would give myself some time. So Discord fam, just know, I'm going to be on the lookout for a call option on BBIG down here. A lot of people was picking them up here. Kind of makes sense, but I'll be willing to get it. I'd be more likely to get it down here in the nines, in the $9 range. And again, it might come down to $6. It might come down to $6. You just got to be prepared, not surprised. You got to be prepared, not surprised. Appreciate you, my guy. He said, I encourage everyone to donate your time and money to the Ronald McDonald. Yo, shout out to Ronald McDonald. He getting money today. Today is Ronald's day. If they didn't know, they know now. Today is Ronald's day. Short is added to the short squeeze category with AMC. Listen, this one has the potential to really burst. Like crazy, like really crazy. But again, I want you to totally understand the breakdown of who owns it. This is what is different. 84% of it is owned by institutions. So in this case with AMC, where we own like 80% of it, the institutions own 80% of this. And other institutions are shorting it. So this one, SPRT, is institution versus institution. This is Godzilla versus King Kong. However, AMC is basically David versus Goliath. So if you're on the right team, you're going to win. It don't matter if you pick King Kong or you pick Godzilla, and then those are the ones that end up winning, you will win. However, it's different. It's a different play from AMC. Just know that. And if you miss the run, let it come and pick you up and then go on a run. Thoughts on Global Star? Got you, big dog. GSAT. Yeah, so look, while everybody else is picking it up on the run, You let it cool off and let it pick you up. Can I look for SPRT put? So I'm going to tell you right now, if I get into a put or a call, right? Thank you for your work, bro. I appreciate you for that, baby. I appreciate you. Just know it. Okay, family, let's see what the sentiment is. Before we do anything else, let's see what the sentiment is on BBIG. I want you to see what everybody else is thinking in the comments. So let's talk about it right here, right now. Let's look up BBIG first. Let's go to them. Now, so I just want you to see what everybody's thinking. Here we go. Here we go. Is it A, BBIG is dead? Is it B, BBIG is sleep? Or is it C, you don't even know what BBIG is? Let us know in the comments, baby. Let's call the lifeline. Kitty, do you think BBIG is A, B, or C? Kitty said D. None. See, all right, look, family, you see? So some people are saying it's dead. Some people are saying it's sleep. And some people are saying that they don't even know what BBIG is. The correct answer is the shorts have not covered. Guess what? This play is asleep. It is not dead. Let's talk about it. It's not dead. Now, does that mean that it's going to go crazy to the moon? No, but it'll get higher than $9, which it just was. Now it's 10 again. Okay, cool. Let's see it. Again, let it, if you get in low. I tell you this, if you got in at 12, you might feel like it's dead for a long time. If you got in at 12, you might feel like it's dead for a long time. However, if you got in at 9, I want you to understand this ain't dead. Just know that. Just know that. These are when they come to pick you up. Like, for example, let's go back and let's make it make some sense, right? This is how we're going to make sense of it. This is how we're going to make some sense of it. Let's look at SPRT, right? Notice everybody's in love with SPRT all of a sudden because it did this rocket ship, right? But people were saying SPRT was dead because a few days ago it hit $60. And look at it now. Because they don't see the potential in getting it in at 22 and then riding the option up to 26. You see what I'm saying? They don't see the potential in that. So yeah, we broke today's high. Let's go. Let's get it. Money printer, baby. Money printer. Right here. Look at that. Crazy. The FOMO buyers, I'm telling you, they're going to light you up. Like, you're going to be getting money. Kenan, is it me or is AMC not as volatile as usual as far as today? So, again, we already know, and if you've been rocking me on the live streams in particular, we've been checking that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they try to dip AMC. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they try to dip AMC. And this is about the 4th week in a row that they've been doing that. So we know what time it is. We know what time it is. Said FOMO is wild. Yeah, it is. If you got FOMO, let it cool off again for a second. Let this red candle play out. And then if you want, you want to get some skin in the game, remember, skin in the game means don't go all in up front. That's what skin in the game means. So we're on an uptrend, but it's more shallow than it started off. Like, it started off like crazy, right? But now it's getting more shallow. So if you want to get in, you know. So you like my cut. Appreciate you for that. If you want to get in, let it cool off, right? And touch your support line, your ascending support line, and then consider getting into play. That's how we rocking. Yo, this one is really, let's look at the volume on the day. What is that? What is the volume? So far, we had 22 million. Yesterday, totally, it was 28 million. Already today, we're at 22 million. Going nuts. Dang. Whoa, look at this. Crazy. Yo, man, this one is nuts, family. This one is going nuts. Going absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. If I was to get into a call, I would get in today and I will also get out today. The theta is too crazy. Too crazy. Unless I got a call that was for way later. Way later. All right, cool. So now let's look. SPY is still doing well on the day. SPY is still doing well. Lucid. Look at Lucid. Look at Lucid. Let's go, Lucid. Yo, Lucid, come on now. We love to see it. We absolutely love to see it. Let's see. SPRT. Remember, it's still in an uptrend. It looks like it's going down, but it's coming to test this ascending line of support. This is SPRT, yes. Yo, tears in the chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look at this, family. Jeez Louise. Crazy. From 21 all the way up to 26. Rocket. Rocket. Yep, Lucid is running. Can you look at Task? Nio gang. Nio is running too. Okay, look. SPRT is getting into a downtrend. What does this mean? This means that it's coming to pick you up if you're looking. If you're looking to get in. ATER. Look at that. How do I feel about GVO? I feel like GVO is an excellent swing, baby. Excellent swing. Good looking out, baby. Look at any. Coming back down to pick you up. If you could get in closer to 6. Preferably 5, but closer to 6. Banger. Banger. Yeah, that was funny. McDonald's really taking off. Look at that. I love to see it. Oh, my goodness. Family out the air. GVO is the winner of the day. Look at GVO. GVO is the winner of the day. Up 27% so far. Look at that. Jeez Louise. All right, let's see. Let's zoom out. Let's see if they got any news. What's going on with GVO? GVO. So they, all right. Chevron joins hands. So they partner with Chevron. All right. Interesting. Look, that's making them go. That's making them go. Let's get it. Yo, that's really crazy. But yo, Lucid, break above that 20 for us. We need it. We need it. You right there. Oh, you did it really briefly. Go back up there for us. You got this. Okay, BBIG. So now let's zoom out. Let's see what happened the last time it got to the $9 range. It went from $9.70 to $10.60. That's a crazy run. If you were in an option today on that, you would have made $50 on every single dollar move. Every single dollar move. Okay, let's go back in time. And let's see. Yeah, BBIG does not like being under $10 for long. It really doesn't like being under the $10 range for a long time. It goes under there and it pops right back up there. So the further under 10 you can get it, the better. AQST is on a little dip. It won't last long. FDA run. Let's check them out. Right. Excellent. So if you could get this under in the $3 range, that's where I would prefer to get it, to be honest. AMC, the beast, the banger, the big dog. What are we doing? We still coming down on a Friday, or are we showing the shorts that we going to change this trend and stop having them do this? Come on now. Consolidation, a little bit of consolidation on AMC. A little bit. Oh, yeah, your boy, the one, the only, Jim Cramer. Let's check him out. Jim Cramer, Twitter. Let's check him out. He might tweet a lot, so I don't know if I can find the tweet easily. He said, buy AMC to somebody else. He's trolling. Puts on the show, the squawk, street, airlines, Morgan Stanley downgrades. All right, he's doing a lot. Twitter fingers. AMC short interest, GME, no. Were GameStop buyers all buying Lulu? Don't pick a fight with regulators. So we just, okay. Let's see. You already know, family, this dude, no disrespect, but sometimes, man, he just be trying to antagonize the apes, and it's just crazy. Come on now. Let's see what the family talking about. Somebody said it's Thursday. What did I say? Did I say it was Friday? Bye-bye's dropping. Yeah, the politics. Somebody said Givo is going even stupider than before. Yo, it's still going crazy. Still. Givo and SPRT going nuts today. Okay, so now SPRT is trying to cool off a little bit, but could it maintain its momentum? The short sellers is hurting right now. They're hurting right now. They're probably like literally about to get into a scramble, family. They are hurting right now. They're crying at home to their husbands, to their wives, to their kids, to whoever. They like, look, I've been shorting this stock, and it's just, come on, man. Come on, man. Now we're in a slight downtrend, Remember, don't forget about this uptrend that got us all the way up to this 10% on a day. Somebody said, yo, if you own McDonald's stock, I used to. But I had let it go for whatever reason. I didn't know what I was doing back in the day, and I had let it go. I had a few. I was like, yeah, I'll just sell it, right? But listen, McDonald's, as a company, they know how to make money. And the funny thing is, too, like, you could also consider McDonald's like a real estate company, to be honest, because their burgers, they selling a lot of them, but they have a lot of property. Matthew, yeah, appreciate you for that, big dog. I didn't see it yet. I got to take a look. I did not see it just yet. Palantir is running now. There we go. She running. Yeah. Yeah, she running, baby. She's a runner. She's a track. Look, I'm telling you, this thing, it just bounces. It bounces and bounces. And once it gets up to 27, come on. Now I need any emojis right now. Let's check them out. Okay, look, SPRT, is it still in our downtrending channel? It is. However, if you zoom out a little bit, you'll see real estate, right. If you zoom out a little bit, you'll see that this is a low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low. Technically, overall, uptrend. In the short term, we've identified a very short downtrend. We want to see if it holds. AMC is trying to wake back up. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. This is what I'm talking about. Turn it around for us. BBIG coming down, coming down. Remember, the lower you get in on a stock, especially an option in particular, the better. The lower you get in, the lower. It's like being on a ladder. At the bottom, you're the safest. The higher it goes up, the harder you have to fall. Next support is about 960. Let's see. Yep, somebody said McDonald's owns much of the property that their restaurants are in. That's right. I'm hearing Nio is doing good. Woo! Come on, Nio. I keep pressing this button. Come on, Nio. Let's see it. I want to see it, baby. We here. We here now. All right, cool. Charge point. Givo. Spy. Spy still killing it. Look at this. Low. Higher low. Higher low. Higher low. Come on, Spy. Yo, Spy. Could you give me a new all-time high today? I would love it. I would love it. We need like $3. New all-time high. Less than that. I would love it. I knew Disney was going to 187 today. I'm telling you. VTI is doing good. Mara's waking up. No, Mara's waking up. Baba's not. Baba's been struggling, but it's been living in the 160s. Clove. I haven't looked at Clove in some time. Clove is up 5% on the day. Let's zoom out. Look at this. Gapped up, gap down. Gapped up and gapped down. KPLT. Catapult. Looking normal. Looking pretty normal. But again, it's cooled off. It's cooled off. Yep, it's cooled off. This is where you start to establish whatever you're trying to do. If you could get in the fives, excellent, excellent. I'm really looking at SPRT though. It's coming down. And I'm thinking about jumping in to a new play. I'm thinking about jumping into a new SPRT play with the Discord fam. When we do it, Discord fam, you already know I got you. The last one that I did was this one on SPRT. I'll show you right here. Where is it? Here we go. The last one that I did was this one. And I made $660 on that. That was the last one. But I am definitely looking to get into another one. So Discord fam, just know. He said, hey, brother, you have any thoughts on BTCM? Let me take a look for you. BTCM. So, to be honest with you, this is a new one for me. I looked at it before the charts, but I didn't look into the company. You see what I'm saying? So now, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, generally with these stocks that are in the $10 range, family, I want you to understand that you could get in basically under 10. That's what we're trying to do. That's how we rocking. If you could get in basically under $10 with a lot of these, that's where you're looking for. Louisiana is in the building. You said Ameritrade is rejecting your SPRT orders right now? Give yourself some time on them too. If you get into them, give yourself some time on them. Because you're going to listen, roller coaster. This is going to take you on a ride. A real ride. So this is support. So for example, if I was using my 3 strike prices on this, I would go now. Boom. Right? I would jump in. And then my next one, I would try to catch it down here at 21. Right? And then I will hold on to my last third if I needed it. But if it wasn't working out and it was really coming down, it should come down to like 17, 18, 17, 18. And then I'd be like, yeah, that's enough. My risk tolerance is done. And then I would just let it rock. But I would give myself like a month. I would give myself like a month on lease on this. How can I find solid plays that have good theta? Does the short-term expiration dates increase the theta? Yes. Yes. If you want theta to be solid, then you need to go further out. Further out, or like, let's check this out. Deeper in the money. Deeper in the money. For example, at the money, $24. In the money, over here. Deep, you go deep in the money, then theta is basically non-existent. It's there, but it's really low, right? So kind of the further you get away from at the money, theta decreases. So now we're in the $24 range. RSI is low, approaching 30. We love to see it. So then if you miss the train, you could get picked up over here. But now there's going to be fear in it again. AMC is alive again. Love to see it. Let's go. AMC, where we at? Let me just look them up on the search bar. AMC, bow. Yo, AMC, wake up, baby. Wake up, baby. We here. We here. Yo, look at that. Look at that. Tell me you don't love AMC and seeing it rock. We love it. We love it. Where do we want to see AMC close today? I would love to see AMC close over 47. I don't think that's much to ask of the apes. Close us above the $47 mark. Lucid is doing numbers. Come on, Lucid. Look at it. It's trying to ladder up almost. Stair step. Stair step. Get us over the mark. The $20 mark. I see the tears in the chat. I see the tears in the chat. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's pump AMC. Let's pump it up. AMC, you could do it. We want to see you close positive on the day. You got this, baby. You got this. We want to see you close positive on the day. You got this. I'm going to the chat. I'm going to the chat right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We need some hedge fund tears in the chat, baby. We need some hedge fund tears in the chat. They said Kenan wasn't going to pull tears in the chat.
Stop the cap.
Here we go. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. They thought Kenan wasn't going to put tears in the chat. Is that what they thought? They thought Kenan wasn't going to put tears in the chat.
Stop the cap.
They can stop the cap. Let's go. Come on now. Come on now. We with it, baby. We here. AMC, pump. We love to see it. We love to see it. Let's go. Let's go. Now, let's see what we got. Let's see if we can make any strong moves. Let's see what we have. All right, so adder, BBIG, turn it back around a little bit. Yep, it did find support at that 960. Let's see if it can hold it. I see the tears in the chat for AMC. We pushing it. Come on. We doing it. Louisiana is in the house. Tears in the chat. Let's go. We on a whole new candle now. Let's see it in 1 minute. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We here. Oh, yeah. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. She's ramping up. Yo, family, we at a day high, intraday high. It's a tsunami of tears. Let's write. They can't hold us. They can't hold us. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We hit a new day high. The short sellers is hurting right now, family. Memphis is in the house. I see you. The short sellers is hurting right now. Okay, look. This SPRT showing some strength. Where? Right here. $24. This $24 mark. It's showing strength. It's showing strength right here. Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see if we can maintain the strength. My guy said, all right, I got you, family. He said, could you please explain the terms in the money, out of the money? Got you. All right, look at this. At the money means what is the price of the stock? That's at the money. That's what it means. So when you want to look at the money, look, that's this right in the middle. What is the price of the stock at the money right now? 25, right? What options are basically right there? 25 is in the money. This is why it's kind of highlighted in green. When you look over here, this is kind of highlighted in gray, right? Highlighted in green, highlighted in gray. Out of the money means that the stock price for the option, the stock is not worth that price yet. So you see 25 is out of the money because the stock is 24. So 25 is not there yet. This is for a call. So that's out of the money. Everything that is not worth yet is out of the money. Everything that is contained in the worth is currently this. 24 is over that. 23 is over that. 22 is over that. All of these are in the money because the stock price is currently over that. Thoughts on NVIDIA? NVIDIA is a long-term beast. NVIDIA is a long-term banger. Understand that. Long-term beast, long-term banger. Yo, is that true? Somebody said Robinhood is up 40%. 4%, 5%, not 40. I thought y'all said it was up 40%. I'm thinking like, yo, come on. That's crazy. This thing is like, what, $75, $65, something like that? I thought y'all was saying that. But it is running. Got to show respect where it's due. We're coming back to retest this 24 level. Patterson, New Jersey's in the building. I see you, baby. Yeah, 5%. I thought I saw 40%. I was like, yo. All right, BBIG. Turning around. It did find support right around this spot in the 960s. Let's get it. BBIG or BNGO is about to head back over the $6 mark. It's getting in put option territory. Charge point is up $22. Shout out to Charge Point. McDonald's, the burger, the fries, the bread, the milkshake machine. You already know the milkshake machine. They said it's down. The milkshake machine is always down. Why? Who knows? Let me know in the comments. They said the milkshake machine. All right, so AMC, where we at? Look at this. Look, we don't ask for much, family. Discord family in the building. I see you. I see you. Teams in the chat. I see you. So, Kenan, it's so much fun hanging out with you. Just know, family, it's real. It's always been real. They said the Big Mac, the chicken tenders, the chicken McNuggets, Yo, let's go. $47 AMC in the building. $47 AMC. We here. We love to see it. They told us we wasn't going to do it. Guess what? They lied. They lied. They lied. They thought we wouldn't catch on. Yo, GVO is running 30%. Yo, let's look at the options again. All right, look. So for the 17th, $10. Yo, up 400% today. Great. Family. The $7 put, the $7 call, 7.5, 3,000% today. This look like an error. That's crazy. Yeah, GVO, man. Look at that. The Egg McMuffin. The Egg McMuffin. Somebody said McDonald's is being investigated by the FDA. They probably really are. I bet you that's really happening. Why their milkshake machines always down? They probably really are. That's really crazy. Lucid is really trying to fight to get over to this mark. This $20 mark. We are so close. But the beast, the big dog, AMC is running. Look at her. Look at her go. Come on now, family. AMC wants to be back over the $50 mark so bad. Any news on Cardano? The news is I'm loading up. Still, I guess it ain't news. I guess it ain't news. Yeah, I bought GVO as a stock. I wish I was an option. Man. Yo. All right, cool. Charge point came back down to the 21 range. GSAT. We were talking about this. If you could pick this up, I was saying in the low, like in the 250s, which it is right now, this is a first point that you could strike. However, see how it holds here first, and then see if it goes to $2. If you get in at $2, like flat, excellent. Listen, nobody's trying to get sued, right? However, in my honest, humble opinion, I think the McDonald's employees find it challenging to clean the ice cream machine, so then they just leave it alone. They just straight up, and this is my opinion, I don't know for sure, but I think they leave it alone and then say, look, it would take us so long to clean it and fix it and blah, blah, blah. Let's just leave it alone, right? They getting paid, what, minimum wage over there? They ain't got time for that. Come on now. You go to McDonald's and ask for ice cream, they be like, McDonald's, you got ice cream? Let's go. Yo, Disney is really, look at it again. Shout out to Disney. Shout out to Disney. Yo, that's crazy. And you know, family, AMC, she's a runner. She's a track star. Listen, I'm going to stick to stocks. I'm not going to start singing now. But look at it. We love it. We love it. We love it. SPRT broke out of our downtrend channel. And now it's even in a more of a decline. But again, it's coming to pick you up if you missed it. It's coming to pick you up if you missed it. That's what's going on. Come on now. Come on now. So the ice cream machines are always down so we can buy it. Right. Karaoke Kenan. Yo, that's a bar. That's a bar. That's crazy. Riot put. Let's look. Riot. Let's look at what Riot's doing right now. It's dangerous because crypto could wake up. Listen, yes, we making money, baby. Everybody else out here crying about this stock is down, that stock is down. Look, I told you this one was decent in the $9 range. again, it could come back and pick you up again if you missed it. Same thing with SPRT. If it comes back again to pick you up because you missed it, jump in. Discord family, if you want to know what I'm doing, I always post it to the Discord. Discord link is in the top of the thing, top of the chat. You already know. Family growing like wildfire, baby. Family strong. But I always tell you, if you sitting on the fence, don't join the Discord. Our Discord family is a tight-knit family, and it's real over there. So, again, I want y'all to know I love y'all. Your boy, SPRT is in a downtrend. If you want to identify, and let me just tell you, I want to teach you how to fish, again, like I always do. Like I always, at least, I try my best. I will always try my best. I want you to understand that. The whole purpose, people have you think doing technical analysis has to be complicated. It can be, and you could really get crazy with it. But all you are really trying to do, and just like other people too that are doing it, that are using all kind of other things, you're trying to identify a trend change, a trend reversal, some type of trend change. There are only 3 trends. There's an uptrend, there's a downtrend, and then there's consolidation. Consolidation means it's flat. Uptrend means it's going up. Downtrend means it's going down. Notice this is in a downtrend. The only reason I even care about this channel, this tube that it's in, is because I want to see it break out of the trend. Now you can get what is called a false confirmation, where it comes out of the trend and then it looks like it's going to stay out of it and then it jumps right back in, right? This is a false confirmation. But what you're looking for in general is for a trend to break, and then you could get in at the beginning of a trend. For example, let's say that this trend was to break right here, and then it starts to go up, and you get a call. Then you could ride your call all the way up and get a new trend, get a new channel, and then basically, if it comes out of your new channel, just let it go. It might jump back in, but you made money. So now, let's say that we identified when it got into this downtrend, and we just rolled a put down, and then it's showing us that it's starting to break out of this. Then you say, okay, I made enough. It could make more. It might not. And then you say, boom, it's time to get up out of it. So this is what I want you to see. Elizabeth said, I just joined the family. Let's go. Let's go. Family growing like wildfire, baby. Let's get it. And I love y'all, and I want you to understand it. And I tell you, why do I tell you I love you? Because I feel like some of us don't hear it enough. And I really want you to understand that. That's why I always hit my chest right here and I tell you I love y'all. But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Discord family, I see you over there. Everybody, I'll be back on 9:15 tomorrow. I love y'all. Take care.